pi by 12, 2 pi by 4, 8 cos 2x by tan x plus cot x whole cube dx. First all of you listen. Time ఇస్తానమ్మా రాసుకుందరు కానీ లేదా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి ఇంటెగ్రల్ 8 cos 2x sin x by cos x by sin x 8 cos 2x by sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 by sin x cos x whole cube LCM sin x and cos x sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Take the reciprocal value. Integral 2 cube sin cube cos 2x dx. 2 sin a cos a sin 2a formula sin 2x whole cube integral sin cube 2x cos 2x dx. Take the reciprocal value 8 2 cube sin cube cos cube sin 2a formula whole cube. All of you listen. In this place we apply sin 3a formula. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So sin cube a equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. 3 sin a minus sin 3a into 4 becomes 2 by 4. We apply this result in this place. Integral 3 sin 2x minus sin 3a 3 into 2x by 4 into cos 2x dx. So 3 by 4 multiply these two sin 2x cos 2x 2 sin a cos a sin 2a formula. Next 1 by 2 into 2 sin 6x cos 2x dx. 2 sin a cos b formula. So 3 by 8 sin 4x minus 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b whole dx. So sin 4x 3 by 8 coefficient 1 by 2 coefficient. So 8 LCM 3 minus 4 by 4. This is also equal to 4. This is by 4. 3 by 4 1 by 4 3 by 4 1 by 4 into 2 by 2. So this is also becomes 2 by 8 by 8. So sin 4x coefficient this is 3 by 8 This is minus 1 by 8 sine 4x minus 1 by 8 sine 8x dx. So this is 2 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Integral of sine minus cos 4x by 4 minus 1 by 8. Integral of sine minus cos 8x by 8. X coefficient is 4. X coefficient is 4. X coefficient is 8. From pi by 12 to pi by 12 to pi by 4. Write down to 1 sine of 2 tan inverse under root 1 plus x by 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. 1 minus x dx. All of you listen formulas. Write down. Put x equal to cos 2a. Write down. Cos 2a sine of 2 tan inverse 1 plus cos 2a by 1 minus cos 2a sine of 2 tan inverse under root 2 cos square a by 2 sin square a. 2 cancel. Root 2 square cancel. Sine of 2 tan inverse cos by sine equal to cot. Cot, right, tan pi by 2 minus a. Actually we get cot a. Cot a equal to tan 90 minus a. Tan was cancel. Sine of 2 into pi by 2 pi. 2 into a 2a 2a sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. Convert this function in x values. Under root 1 minus cos square 2a under root 1 minus x square. Integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1 sine of 2 tan inverse under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx equal to 0 to 1 under root 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Write 1 as 1 square. Apply this formula. X by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by 1 from 0 to 1. We apply this formula under root a square minus x square substitute upper limit value 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse 1 value, sin inverse 1 value, pi by 2. Lower limit, both are zeros, 0 into something, sin inverse 0. So final answer is pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x by 3 plus sin 2x, 3 plus sin 2x dx. Thirty-six is also similar. First listen this one. Write down sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x equal to t. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే కొన్ని వస్తాయి ఐడియాలు. ఇది ఐపీ ప్రాబ్లమే వాస్తవంగా. వీటి షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు. కాకపోతే బోర్డు మీద మనం స్టెప్ బై డౌన్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ sin x cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. This value becomes 2 dt. Next, sin 2x value, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x equal to t square, equal to t square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 minus t square equal to 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a formula. So this is a sin 2x value. Next, change the limits. If x value 0, x value 0, t value sin 0 0, cos 0 value 1, so minus 1, minus 1. If x value pi by x value pi by 2, x value pi by 2, t value sin 90 value 1, cos 90 value 0, so 1. So my 0 value minus 1, pi by 2 value 1, 1 by 3 plus sin 2x value 1 minus t square. This becomes to dt. Next, 1 by 4 value 2 square minus 3 square minus 1 to 1 dt, minus 1 to 1 dt. This is a listen limits minus a to a form, minus a to a form. Put x equal to minus x, we get the same value. That means this is an even function. So write 2 into 0 to a, 2 into 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 2 into 0 to 1 by a square minus x square form 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. A value 2 to cancel 1 by 2. First upper limit value 3 by 1, that is log 3. Apply 0, 2 by 2 value 1, but log 1 value 0. 2 by 2 1, log 1 value 0. So this is the answer, 1 by 2 into log 3.